Alright guys, welcome to today's video. This one's starting pretty late in the day. We just got back from Fremont, Nebraska. I went to look at a Z125. Now the sad news is, I did not come home with the Z125. They were stuck at 2,500, didn't want to move. So I said, alright, that's fine, we'll drive back home. I'm okay with this. On the other hand, we did get parts for the KX250. You guys know we need to change out the timing chain and check the valves at least. And then hopefully we get those things swapped out and the bike kicks over super smooth and runs hopefully really good. Gonna kind of try and get through it, and then hopefully the end of this video is us riding the KX along with Austin's KX along with Caden's CRF. So hopefully that's how this video ends. But we'll see you guys in a little bit. Head out to the garage and get this thing going. All right, so you guys have seen us start on the GSXR. We have been also momentarily working on the KX. We've been waiting on the stupid Polar. Finally got it.
Fuck!
It's too big.
Damn it.
Why didn't you grab the right one?
I thought I looked it up, it said it was a 28x1. And this is a 28x1.
Oh, another delay on the KX, of course. But GSXR will continue that. I don't know if I've showed you that yet or not, but if you guys have seen it, then we'll come back and work on the KX. If not, we're going to transition into the GSXR again. Alright, so as you can tell in this video, Austin and I have been working on the two bikes, getting the fenders put on. We have the other side to do, and that's about it. I just got to connect a couple more things in the front, clip them in, 2 more bolts on the outside, good to go there. Austin has gotten the timing chain in, the stator cover back on. Yesterday they pulled the old chain out and the stator basket off and all that stuff. Got the valve cover on, got everything back the way it should be. Everything looks really good timing wise and all that good stuff. We're about to take it over. We'll see if this thing is gonna start. Ready? Yeah. Alright, so we have to do one more oil change just because last time we had it, it was milky oil in there. So brand new oil in there right now. Yes, boy, let's go! And the jigs are almost as ready too. Yeah, dude, second kick. Second kick. Dude, hurry up, get out here. Alright, so we gotta drain the oil. We're going to top off the coolant a little bit and then put the dirt bike back together. It'll be good. Brand new, dude. Just good as new. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna get on that. I'm gonna continue working on this bike, and then I'll probably show you Caden's reaction to something else, but you guys won't know what that is until next video, 2 videos from now. But I'm gonna show you guys Caden's reaction to something, and it's gonna be, I don't know, you just gotta wait. Videos are coming, and they're sick. So, yeah, get this jigsaw done, end out this video. It's gonna be so nice.
You want a street bike, a dirt bike, and a lawnmower? Only selling at the package.
15K for her.
Where'd you go buy this?
This morning.
Where was this at?
Here, Lincoln. Alright, you guys didn't ask for it, and we're delivering. How's that? Also, you get the pre-reveal of the special new toy. So don't spoil it for the next video. Just act excited still, but let's go get some dirt bike content so that we can finish out this video. Should be fun. Hopefully I'm Alright. Alright, ready? Sorry I don't have gloves for you, but you don't have a clutch, so you don't need this. Let's go, boys. Awesome. This one's so weird to ride compared to yours. Hell yeah, boy.
Riley coming?
He's coming. It's something like that. Whoa! should be so fun.
Yeah, this thing's actually really fun. Now it's in nature.
Perfect.